Okay, all right, we're back here at number 4, and it says find the coordinates of the centroid if the vertices are located at 0, 0, 4, 6, 11.5, and 12, 1. Okay, so listen, guys, this is going to come out as a decimal, all right, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and we're going to start with, remember, we're finding medians, which means that we need to start with finding the midpoint. So I'm going to select to go from A, which means that I need to find my midpoint of BC. Okay, so finding the midpoint of BC, I have 6, 11.5, and then 12, 1. All right, I'm going to do 6 plus 12 divided by 2, and then I'm going to do 11.5 plus 1 divided by 2. All right, which means I get 18 divided by 2, which is 9. And then if I divide 12.5 divided by 2, I get 6.25. So we're going to now find the equation, all right, using that midpoint of 9, 6.25, and then 0, 4. All right, so plugging it in, we need to find our slope. So we're going to do 4 minus 6.25 all over 0 minus 9. And if we subtract 4 minus 6.25, all right, we get negative 2.25 all over negative 9, which gives us, actually, if we simplify that, a slope of 1/4. Okay, now our equation, I'm actually going to consolidate this real quick because I'm going to notice that this point right here is my y-intercept because it's 0, 4, which means that my equation is y is equal to 1/4 x plus 4. So that's my first equation. Okay, let's now go from B. All right, so from B, I'm going to go from the points 0, 4. All right, I'm going to find the midpoints of 0, 4 and 12, 1. And so to find my midpoint, I'm going to do 0 plus 12 over 2, and then 4 plus 1 over 2, which gives me 0 plus 12 is 6, all right? And then 4 plus 1 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. So I'm going to now find my equation. And that equation is going to be 6, 2.5. And I'm going to use point B, which is 6, 11.5. All right, which I'm already seeing that this is going to be nice because if I find my slope, I'm going to do 11.5 minus 2.5. And then I'm going to do 6 minus 6. All right, which means that when I add those together, when I subtract those, I'm going to get 9 over 0, which means that my slope is undefined. Which means that my equation is x equals, and if you look at those two x values, I get 6. Okay, all right, so from there, guys, we're now going to find our point of intersection. See, this is not as scary as we thought it was going to be. So I'm going to take that 6 and I'm going to plug it in, all right, to my first equation. So I'm going to get y is equal to 1/4 times 6 plus 4. All right, I'm going to get 6 over 4 plus 4. All right, I'm going to get 1.5 plus 4, which means that my y value is 5.5. So then my centroid is 6, 5.5. And that's your final answer.